Hey, so this is question number two for the practice test for Big Box. And in this one, it says there's some values for a distance traveled through the jungle that don't make sense. Determine all these possible distances that you could travel through the jungle. Support your answer with the reason why your answer describes all possible distances traveled through the jungle. So maybe the best place we should go is page one. Okay, so if you understand this graph, then this question is pretty easy. You wrecked in your helicopter, and if you walked in a straight line to the house, that would be 5 miles. Okay, so, and if you walk straight up to the road, that would be 3 miles. So we know that these are the boundaries of what makes sense in our situation. The lowest number that he could possibly walk through the jungle is 3 miles. The longest distance that he could possibly walk through the jungle is 5 miles. Unless he wanted to walk, past the house, which, why would you want to do that, right? Zombies are coming after you, all that scary stuff. So, how I would say this is, I don't know, you just use your own words to describe something like that. Like, if the person walked straight to the road, then he or she would walk 3 miles through the jungle. So that's the least amount. This is the least amount. And then you have the maximum amount. The max distance through the jungle is 5 miles if the person walked straight to the house. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense that 3 miles is the least amount you can walk and 5 miles is the most. How you write that mathematically and all geeky is you would say that C is less than or equal to 5. So C, remember, is how much you walk through the jungle. So that needs to be less than or equal to 5 miles, but it's also greater than or equal to 3 miles. So that's the math geeky way to write it. Okay, so now we got that problem taken care of. Let's go on to our next problem.